Today I discuss about Biot-Savart law. When a conductor carry current, flux is produced around the conductor. Now this is the conductor, current flowing through it I. dl is the small part of the conductor, and here is P, where field intensity to be find out. Now R is the distance between P and dl. We know dH, field intensity proportional to I, current, dl, small distance, sin alpha by R square. This is R. dH equal to Ki dl sin alpha divided by R square. In SI K equal to 1 by 4 pi. We put here instead of K 1 by 4 pi. So dH equal to I dl sin alpha divided by 4 pi R square. Now dH equal to I dl, unit vector here along this 4 pi R square. So I dl, here I dl R by 4 pi R cube. It is thickly written R, as where R is mod R. Unit vector AR equal to R by R. So unit vector, so instead of AR we write here R by R. So it will be R into R cube. Now integrating both sides, we get for line current we get I dl AR by 4 pi R cube. AR is unit vector. H equal to K ds AR by 4 pi R cube. For surface current density, K. Now H equal to integration of J dV AR. AR is unit vector and J is volume current density divided by 4 pi R cube. This is the Biot